I just want to say happy Thanksgiving. I love you. If you can hear me.
Yeah, Marnie. Yeah.
Right at him.
Downhill 5. Downhill 5. Yeah. Hey, that low man be over early. That one you could have been over. They're not throwing the lob to Marcus Morris. It was one earlier, like maybe 2 or 3 minutes in. Maxey drove. You could be over a little bit earlier. No, I don't think he got the rebound. But you could just be over early. They're not throwing the lob to Morris. Yeah. Show me something, Nas.
You'll never talk this much.
Huh?
You'll never talk this much.
Yeah, dude.
I don't think you down there.
Yeah, I'd be towards the end, yeah.
Ain't nobody.
Good quarter, y'all. Good quarter, good quarter, good quarter. That's tough, Nas. To the left.